Hello, great mind. We'll have a very interesting geometry question on the board, okay? Now, this diagram is given and we are asked to find the value of x, okay? Now, for us to solve this, the first thing we have to note is that suppose that we have to rename here, okay? Now, suppose that here is small letter b. I want to use small letter b, okay? And here is small letter c. It simply means that triangle, okay? A, B, C. I want us to redraw this and omit this particular one at the center, which is what? The value of x here, okay? Now, for us to do this, we have to redraw this. I want us to redraw this, okay? Now, this is A, this is C, and this is B, okay? Now, from here, the angle that will be here is this 40 degrees plus the small letter b here, okay? Or the angle here, okay, is this 40 plus b. And for this side, we have 30 plus c, 30 degrees plus c, okay? Because this one here is c, okay? I added all this angle here, okay? And this is it. Now for up, this angle A here is what? 48 degrees, okay? So from here, remember that sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, okay? So all we need to do here is to sum up all this angle and equate it to 180 degrees so that we can be able to find the value of B and C, okay? This small b here and C here, okay? So from here, we are going to have 48 degrees plus 40 degrees plus B plus 30 degrees plus C equal to 180 degrees. Remember our reason, sum of the angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees, okay? So from here, we'll now sum this, okay? So 40 plus 30 here is 70. So we have 48 degrees plus 70 degrees plus B plus C equals 180 degrees, okay? So from here, 40 plus 70 is 118. 0 plus 8 is 8, okay? And 4 plus 7 is 11. So we have 118 degrees plus B plus C, okay? Equals 180 degrees. So the next thing we are going to do is to collect the like terms. You can see that we have 118 degrees here and we have 180 here. Why these two are later? So we are going to take transpose of this, and when we do that, we'll have B plus C equals 180 degrees minus 118 degrees. That is 118 degrees, okay? So from here, we are going to have B plus C will be equal to 180 degrees minus 118 degrees will be 62 degrees, okay? Because if we take 1 here and add to this 0, it will become 10. 10 minus 8 will give us 2, okay? Remainder 1. Now we are left with 7 here, okay? No, remainder 10 minus 8 will give us 2, okay? And we are left with 7 here. So 7 minus 1 will give us 6. And this 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'll have 62 degrees when we subtract 118 from 180, okay? So it simply means that the value of B plus C equals 62 degrees, okay? Now you can choose to divide this by 2 so that you can get each value of this B and C. If you want to divide it by 2, you are going to get it 31 degrees each, okay? But I want to leave my value like this as 62 for B plus C, okay? Now looking at this triangle here, we have gotten these two angles, B and C, okay? And let's name here T. So this triangle TBC will now be equal to, remember, sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to add all these angles, including the x, to equate it to 180 so that we can get the value of what? X. Since we've known this value and this value, okay? So from here, we are going to have B plus C plus X equals 180 degrees, okay? The triangle TBC, this, and this, okay? So from here, we know that B plus C is 62. So we have 62 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. Okay, so from here, x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 62 degrees. Okay, so from here, x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 62 will give us 118 degrees. Okay, because this is this 0 here, if we take 1 from here and add here, it will be 10. Now 2 minus 10 is 8. Okay, sorry, 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, and 7 minus 6 is 1. Then we'll bring this one here. So the value of x that we are expected to find here is 118 degrees. I hope you've learned something new today. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video. Bye.